Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure FullStory to monitor user behavior in Bubble apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure FullStory to monitor user behavior in Bubble apps, start by logging into your FullStory account. Next, navigate to the Projects section in your FullStory dashboard. Click on the Create Project button to start a new project. Fill in the required details for your project, including the name and the domain of your Bubble app. After creating the project, you will receive a unique script for your FullStory session tracking. Copy the provided FullStory script from your project settings. Now, go to your Bubble app editor. In the Bubble editor, open the Settings tab on the left sidebar. Select the SEO and meta tags section within the settings. Scroll down to the script/meta tags in header field. Paste the FullStory script you copied earlier into this field. Ensure that the script is added before the closing/head tag. Save your changes within the Bubble editor. Next, preview your Bubble app to ensure it loads correctly with FullStory. After your app is running, return to your FullStory dashboard. You can check under the Live section to see if FullStory is capturing data. Interact with your Bubble app to generate user behavior data. After some interactions, go back to the FullStory dashboard. Use the search and filtering options to analyze the captured session data. Explore the various features available in FullStory, such as heat maps and session replays. You are now configured to monitor user behavior in your Bubble app with FullStory. Review your settings regularly to ensure optimal tracking as your app evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.